Hey guys, welcome back. Today I was just down at the Port Noarlunga River Jetty, or the Onkaparinga River Jetty, just trying out a new tripod for my camera and just seeing what I could catch. We pretty much just went down there to enjoy the sun and just enjoy life. It was a pretty good day as it had a max of 25 and pretty much always sunny. And I did manage to hook up to a couple fish. They weren't the greatest, but it's still good. So yeah. Oh, I have one. Probably the size of my pinky. That's tiny. The heck? Oh. There it goes. The bait's like literally the size of it. I did try in this spot a bit longer, but I didn't have any more luck as they were all just bait fish pretty much. So I decided to move on to the other side and try my luck. That's not too much, just a little whiting. After trying for about 5 to 10 minutes, we finally hooked up to a whiting. Sadly, it did have a hook already in it, but we couldn't do anything to get it out. So we just took our hook out and hoped for the best for that fish, as the hook was wedged really deep inside it. If you were passing by, you would think I'm just pulling up a big fish, but in fact I'd somehow wrapped my hook underneath the jetty around a pole, and it was stuck there for good. After seeing a seal, the people beside us tried to catch it for some reason. They didn't have any luck as it didn't even notice them or acknowledge them, as it just went on with its day and swam around. After a while, we decided to call it a day and head home. We didn't have a very successful day, but it was still a pretty good day to be outdoors and fishing. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.